So one big thing we want to capture is talk about the plant height. So a lot of guys are bringing tape measures to the plots and they're measuring the top of the plant down to the very base and setting up kind of a record and data of what the hybrids actually measure at. So one challenge that we usually see is that some hybrids from one company do not exactly line up with the hybrids from another company in their height. Even if they say both medium tall, there's usually one that's a little bit shorter since they're not using the same height scales overall or same measurements. So that's why it's handy is as you go down the lineup of a hybrid plot is do the measurements of every one and kind of set up your references of what's actually medium tall to you and what's medium short in those situations. Another thing that we find handy instead of the tape measure factor, but going back on this data, is setting up a whiteboard. Cutting some plants, setting it up in front of the whiteboard, it'll help you with the leaf orientation pictures, but also if you have some measurements on that board, it'll give you a reference for how tall that plant is.